morning, students. Today we are going to do Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Now, I would like to first introduce you with the lesson. See, bachcho, you'll all know that you'll all love to hear stories, especially जब तुम छोटे बच्चे थे. That time though, y'all would love to hear stories, and that is what is also there. Little children love to hear stories during the bedtime. सोते टाइम स्टोरीज सुन के फिर ही कई बच्चे सोते हैं. दे लव टू हियर स्टोरीज. नाउ व्हाट आर दीज स्टोरीज? दीज आर मोस्टली फेबल्स. दे आर नॉट ट्रू स्टोरीज. दे आर मेड अप बाय देयर पेरेंट्स, बट द चिल्ड्रन फील दैट इट इज़ अ ट्रू स्टोरी. चिल्ड्रन बिलीव कि जो भी हमारे पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं वो ट्रू है. बट एज द चिल्ड्रन ग्रो अप, दे बिकम इनक्यूजिटिव. फिर दे स्टार्ट आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. ये ऐसे क्यों हुआ? वाई डिड दिस हैपन? वाई डिड दिस हैपन? एंड दिस इज ऑल द थिंग्स हाउ इट टेक्स प्लेस. एंड ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू नो द रीज़न बिहाइंड दिस थिंग्स. दे वॉन्ट टू नो कि इसके पीछे क्या रीज़न है. समटाइम्स पेरेंट्स टेक दिस क्वेश्चनिंग ऑफ द चाइल्ड एज एन अफ्रेंट. कई बार पेरेंट्स को ये अच्छा नहीं लगता. दे डोंट लाइक इट. They want their children to believe what they say. वो चाहते हैं कि उनका ही बिलीव करे. वो उनको डिस्करेज करते. They want them to accept the truth. And in this story also, the child puts up a question, and the father doesn't want him to interrupt such a number of times. The father feels that whatever he says, that the person should, or that the child should agree to it and should listen to it without raising any question. So let's go on further to the story. Now, what is the theme of the story? The theme of the story is that it raises a moral issue that whatever the parents decide for their children, the children should do that. But you'll all know, तुम भी बच्चे हो. You'll all have your own dreams, your own magical world, जिसमें कोई ugliness नहीं है, कोई differences नहीं है, because you'll are all pure at heart. और इसमें भी यही story raises a moral question कि जो feels कि क्या wizard should go and hit mummy? क्यों? Because he says that whatever mummy is saying is wrong. And the child is correct. So, if the mother wants to be loved and respected, she should also respect the child's decision. And if she forces the child to do that, then the wizard should hit the mommy. Now, the main characters of this story is Johnny, who is a 4-year-old girl and is called Joan. Jack, father of Johnny. Claire is the wife of Jack and the mother of Johnny. Shunk is a baby creature with a bad smell. Mother Shunk is the mother of baby Shunk. And Owl is a wise Christian creature who keeps on solving everyone's problem. And the wizard. Wizard is the magician. Now first let's do the gist of the lesson. What is in the lesson? This chapter captures a very sensitive reaction of a small girl in the story, which her father narrates to her. Now this story is telling us about the worldwide view कि जो parents होते हैं, they feel that whatever they decide or whatever they say is correct. And the children should listen to them. Now here Jo is a small girl of 4 years and she loved to hear stories from her father. Jack used to always tell a story every evening and especially for Saturday naps. Now see, what is a nap? Nap is a short sleep that we take during the afternoons. So she used to always listen to that and she's involved with the characters and the happenings. Now in this story, whenever the father used to say the story, there would be an animal who would have a problem, and there would be an old owl who would advise him to visit the wizard who could solve the problem. And then there is the wizard who would solve the problem. Now here the story about Shank. Now Shank is a small child who has a bad smell, and that is why he goes to the wizard when the owl tells him to change him into another and give him another smell so that he may have friends. Now the Shank's mother was unhappy when the wizard gave him a smell of roses. He said that we should always have our own identity. हमें किसी दूसरे की आइडेंटिटी पे नहीं जीना चाहिए. That's what the mother thought. He said whether anyone accepts us, मतलब अपने friends हो नहीं हो, but we should have our own identity. So she wanted that he should go back and get his original smell. After hearing the story of Roger Shank, Jo was not happy with the ending. She said, why should the smell of the Shank be changed? Because when he is getting a good smell, he is getting many friends. Because she is pure at heart, वो यही सोच सकती है. पर मदर कुछ और सोच रही थी. तो she raises a question कि why should the authority of mother should be there? नहीं, आपको एंडिंग चेंज करनी है कि mother should be hit by the wizard because she is doing wrong. But the father is not ready to change the ending because he wanted to establish his authority. ये एक moral question raise करता है कि parents possess the right to impose their will on their children. पेरेंट्स हमेशा अपने बच्चों के ऊपर अपनी खुद की इच्छा डालते हैं, जबकि बच्चों की भी अपनी खुद की इच्छा होती है. Her father finds it difficult to answer her question. Now we go to the summary. So those were the main points of the lesson, the main gist. See, Jack was the father. He had two children. One was Joe and one was Bobby, and his wife Claire, who was carrying his third child. Jack used to tell his story, would narrate a story to his daughter and to his son. Because his son was just 2 years old, he would go to sleep. Even when Joe was a small child, means when he was 2 or 3 years old, at that time Joe would also go to sleep. But as she started growing up, she started listening carefully and started raising questions. अब उसके बाद जो भी उसके फादर स्टोरी नरेट करते थे, उनके कैरेक्टर में हमेशा एक क्रीचर होता था जो रॉजर नाम से होता था. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रॉजर फिश, रॉजर स्क्यूरल, रॉजर चिपमुक, एनीथिंग. और उसमें हमेशा उस एनिमल के कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी. फिर वो ओल्ड आउल के पास जाता था, वाइस आउल के पास. देन दैट वाइस आउल वुड सेंड हिम टू द विजार्ड. फिर विजार्ड उसकी वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता था और पेमेंट की जगह वो कुछ पेनीज मांगता था. और जब रॉजर क्रीचर नहीं दे सकता था तो देन ही वुड शो हिम हाउ टू गेट दैट एक्स्ट्रा पेनीज. So that is how it would be there, and then Roger would become happy and his problem would be solved. So here the story is where there is a creature called Roger Shank, and Shank has a very bad smell. और because उसकी smell बहुत bad थी, no one liked to come too near him, and they all used to run far away from him. So what happened? He was very unhappy. अब आप लोग ही है, अगर आपके फ्रेंड्स नहीं हो तो आपको कितना बुरा लगता है. उसी तरह उसके पास भी अगर फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, no one played with him, सारे वहाँ से भाग जाते थे, तो he would all be all alone. So what did he do? One day he thought of going to the owl. And the wise owl told him that I will not solve your problem, go to the wizard. He is going to solve your problem. So he went to the wizard and he told the wizard, because I smell bad, I don't have any friends, all the animals also run away, सब मुझे देख के भाग जाते हैं, अब मैं क्या करूं? The wizard took his magic wand and he put it over Roger and chanted some mantra, and then his smell became like the roses. Then he asked Roger Shrunk to give him 7 pennies. Roger Shrunk said कि भाई मेरे पास तो 4 pennies ही है, and he started crying. So the wizard said, okay, you give me this and you go to the nearby magic well, and there you will find 3 pennies. So you get those 3 pennies and come back and give it to me. So all the other animals gathered around him. Now when he went, सारे animals started gathering around him because he was now smelling good. So now Roger Shrunk was very happy. He started playing various games and he was really very happy. But when he went back home, his mother said, where is this bad smell coming from? So Roger Shrunk told everything to his mother, how he got the smell of roses. The mother went away to the wizard. Mother सीधे उस wizard के पास गई, and she said, change his smell back. Roger Shrunk said, please, all the other animals run away. But the mummy did not care. No, bole, we don't care. You have to have your own identity. And when the wizard opened the door, she hit the wizard with her umbrella and told, your magic has done bad against. It has made me angry. So the wizard smelled again another magic, and Roger got back his bad smell, foul smell. Now because this ending was there, Roger Shrunk once again became lonely, no friends to play. This ending made Joe very unhappy. Joe said, no, the mother should not be the wizard. Instead, the wizard should go and hit the mummy, because mummy is doing wrong. She is not doing anything to make her child happy. Instead, she is making her child sad. But the father was not ready to change the story. Then they had their supper, and when Roger Shrunk got the bad smell, but no, she was sticking to her words that I want him to get back, because if all the animals are running away from Roger Shrunk, poor thing, he's alone. The father asked Joe that why don't you also go and have a sleep. Joe said, no, first I want you to tell the story the next day that wizard took the magic wand and hit that mummy right over the head. But Jack was not ready to change the story because he wanted his authority. She kept on insisting him. She said, I want that the Shrunk should love his mummy more than he loved all the other animals. That is what Jack wanted. But Joe insisted, but that's no use. So what did he do? He told Joe to go and sleep, and he himself closed the door and went away downstairs. There Claire was painting. She was striking the chair rail with a dipped brush. He threatened to beat her, and then the footsteps slowed down. Joe was coming, but Jack said, no, I'm not going to change my story. And he threatened, कि मैं तुमको मारूंगा. You will get a beating from me. He said it was a very long story, and he said that poor kid. Now he kept on watching his wife working hard on the woodwork. Why? Because she was doing some painting. So here the author wants to tell us that it is always the adult who want to display their authority. They do not care about the child's inquisitiveness on the other. They always think that no, whatever we decide for our child is correct. The child does not have that much to understand. So here Jack is stuck up on both sides. Here he could not make Joe happy, nor could he make his wife happy because of that story, and because of Joe raising questions and questions, he could not reach on time to help his wife Claire. So if you see, this story tells us that yes, children should listen to parents, but at an extent, even the parents should think about the children's questions, should not try to show their authority, and should try to listen to the children also, that what are they thinking about it. So that's the end of our story.